Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple and quick recipe for masala rice. In a big large pot that you're going to make your rice, add some oil and ghee, and when the oil and ghee get hot, add fennel seeds, cumin seed, mustard seeds, curry leaf, and a dry chili. Let's saute for about half a minute. You can find this recipe on my website www.lailascuisine.com, or you can check the link down below in the description box. After half a minute, you are going to add some diced onion and raw peanuts. Stir them and cook it still over medium-high heat until the onion gets translucent or a little bit light brown in color. And now you're going to add some salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. We already add cumin seeds, so I didn't add any cumin powder here. Add a little bit of water just so the spices doesn't get burnt. And then stir them and then let it saute for a second. Then add frozen green peas and carrots that I have peeled and cut into small cubes, almost like dice size. And then I also add some water just so the carrots can cook. And then you're going to add your soak rice 20 minutes before you start cooking this recipe. Just soak the rice for 20 minutes and then add to the pot with some water, and the amount of water is also in the recipe included. So at this point you can taste your salt. If you need more salt, then you can add more salt. Cover the lid, partially cover the pot, so that when the rice actually get boiled, it does not fall outside the pot and make a mess. So then after about half an hour, it's gonna take 25 minutes to half an hour to cook. And now you can see when you remove the lid, all the water has dried and the rice is cooked. And now you're going to take a wooden spoon, flattened wooden spoon is better, so that the rice doesn't break. Then mix them all together, and then you can serve this with curries. You can eat it as is. You can eat it with a special dish that you're going to make. You use it as you wish. I hope you like this video with me. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check the link down below one more time for full written recipe. For now, bye bye.